Welcome to Concrete Technology. We are going to start new chapter of concrete technology, which is freeze concrete. This is the simple outline of our chapter. Include introduction of freeze concrete, workability, stress, segregation, bleeding, relation between workability and strength regarding concrete, admixture used to improve workability, production of concrete, joint in concrete, and micro cracking. Let us start our chapter with introduction of fresh concrete. What is fresh concrete? In previous chapter, we studied the property of different types of cement, properties of coarse and fine aggregate, and quality of mixing water. We also study the different types of admixture used to modify the properties of concrete in plastic state as well as in the hardened state. But in this chapter, we are studying one more step ahead as an aspect for declining the water-cement ratio as workability of concrete. First, what is fresh concrete? When we mixing the ingredient which we are studied in previous chapter are mixed together with the help of bonding agent as a cement and the liquid agent as a water, then we get the product concrete. That wet concrete is called fresh concrete. There is two types of concrete, one fresh concrete and the final product hardened concrete. We are going to study about fresh concrete. The first aspect is a workability. Workability is a very important factor for the any material, also for concrete. Let us begin. Fresh concrete or plastic concrete is a freshly mixed material which can be molded into any desired shape. The relative proportion of cement, aggregate and water mixture together control the properties of concrete in plastic state as well as in the hardened state, which already I discussed about hardened and fresh or plastic stage of concrete. The performance requirements of hardened concrete are more or less well defined with respect to shape, strength, durability, finish, creep, and shrinkage. To achieve this objective economically, the fresh concrete, in addition to having a suitable composition in terms of quality and quantity of cement aggregate and mixture, that should satisfy a number of requirements like mixability, stability, transposability, flexibility, mobility, compactability, and finishability during the whole stage of concrete. Let us start with mixability. Mixability Mixability is the ability of the mix to produce a homogeneous green concrete from the continuous material of the batch under the action of the mixing forces. A less mixable concrete mix require more time to produce a homogeneous and uniform mix. Mixability is nothing but the mixing of some component we already know used in concrete. The second stage of workability is stability. Stability means the mix should not segregate during transportation and placing when it is subjected to force during handling operation. Stability in it means to table a concrete in a particular manner that the concrete where to put and where to drop. That means we are going to mix concrete particular location for a easy material fill up purpose and drop to the site located to any height or any distance. In that case, we are assured that the during the transportation and any placing operation, there should no wrong effect done in concrete. That's why our concrete is being same as fresh concrete. Third portion is transportability. Transportability is also the capacity of the concrete mix to keep the homogeneous concrete mix free from segregation during a limited time period of transportation of concrete. Same as I already discussed. Fourth term is mobility. Mobility is the ability of a concrete mix to be placed in the form around the reinforcement and should be able to cast into the required shape without losing continuity or homogeneity under the available technique of placing the concrete at a particle job. This property is also known as flowability of concrete. Fifth component, compactability of concrete. Compactability is the ability of a concrete which mix to be compacted into a dense compact concrete with minimum void under the existing facility of compaction. At a site, a base mix from the point of view of compactability should achieve a 99% elimination of the original void percent. In short, compactability is that the placed concrete are to be compacted via any technical manner like vibration, needle vibration, and hand compaction, from which we are sure that the concrete is placed are voidless and properly settled down and saturated from the surface and in a particular manner. There are some three criteria for Indian standard and other standard for placing the concrete compaction, in which important standard is our Indian standard for Indian students like IS 6461 Part 5 or Part 6 1973 are defined as workability as the property of freshly mixed concrete or mortar, which determine the ease and homogeneity with which it can be mixed, placed, compacted, and finished. These five processes are the simple and useful process for making and constructing any concrete to the site. Now let us discuss factors affecting workability. What are the factors are affecting to the workable concrete? First, water content, mix proportion, size of aggregate, shape of aggregate, surface structure of aggregate, grading of aggregate, use of admixture, time and temperature. Let us discuss all the factors but not that wide as a little small manner. Water content. The workability of any mix mainly depends upon the quantity of water added into the mixed water play a role of lubricant in the fresh concrete. The addition of water to concrete increases the fluidity of concrete, which is one of the important factors affecting workability at the work site. Many non-technical supervision resort uh, to adding more water or increasing workability. Addition of only water increases water-cement ratio of the mix, making the mix linear. Hence, strength of the concrete decreases. That water content give a big role in concreting. Second one is mix proportion. Every mix as a cement, aggregate, sand, water, admixture must be in a proper quantity of mix design that should mixing is properly and the concrete as a final product is workable and durable. Size of aggregate. Sometimes we take small size of aggregate that give poor result in strength and capacity of the concrete, and sometimes for big size aggregate it is very difficult to place in a beam kind of structure that not bear any porosity, porosity of aggregate into the reinforcement and that give only loose concrete structure for that element. Shape of aggregate. The shape of aggregate have great influence on the workability of concrete. The rounded and cubical shape aggregate require comparatively less quantity of paste for lubrication and give better workability on the other hand. Angular and round aggregate having more surface area require more quantity of paste for lubrication and reduce workability. Similarly, increased flakiness and elongation of aggregate also reduce workability. Also, we are studied in previous chapter elongation and flakination, why it is necessary and how it is work. Next aspect is surface texture of aggregate. For the same volume of aggregate, the total surface area of round texture aggregate is more than the surface area of smooth texture rounded aggregate. And smooth texture aggregate will show better workability with rough texture aggregate will give poor workability. Grading of aggregate. As I already studied in our previous chapter aggregate property, we have studied that grading of aggregate is very important and that's why from the flakiness and elongation we are going to conclude our quality of aggregate. That's why the aggregate grading is important. Use of admixture. It is said that admixture is used when it's necessary and when needed. Else, no use of admixture is permitted. Time. In cement testing, we are studied that setting time as a final setting time and initial setting time of cement are mandatory for testing because the time period of mixing and placing are very important where we are constructing a mass concreting and concreting in any river or water body. The last but not least And very important aspect, temperature. Workability also reduced at high temperature. That's why engineers need to produce such kind of cement that introduce cold cement and hot weather cement to reduce the temperature effect on workability. Now, some measurement of workability. Measurement of workability also we are called tests for workability. How we are calculate the concrete we are making are workable or not. That are sure from that some workability tests. The some tests are slump test, also called slump con test, compacting factor test, flow table test, also called flow test. Other one is VB concitometer test and the Caliball test. In next chapter, we are going to study a measurement of workability. Also, I will send you the some videos regarding that test that you understand better.